Hey, hi. So this is probably one of the last video of this tutorial series, and we have something really amazing to share in this video. That is the overall community aspect of the Figma. So Figma has a very vibrant community and people who love sharing their things with each other, their learnings with each other, their resources with each other, and a lot of open source contribution going on all along in Figma. So to enter the community page, all you have to do is just browse down below and click on Explore Community, and you'll see a lot of different templates starting from that of Figma slides as well as basic design resources as well as also available. So there are many design systems, for example, Hand Design open source design system is also available. We also have something from Frappe, by the way. If you just search for Frappe, you will see Frappe's design library Espresso is completely open source and available for use. So you can go ahead and you can use resources that is already available from the community, and even contribute in the open source project that is available there. Or you can even create your own projects that could be open source. So even Frappe has Espresso Design Library that you can use in your own designs. So yeah, feel free to share with your friends and even make use of this in your own designs as well. Well, even you can contribute to this community by just sharing any of the design work by clicking on share and then finally publish to community. And voila, you can enter the details in here. You can select the thumbnails and fill in the details and publish. And now you will see that this particular design that we created is finally live under my own profile, and anyone can look into it. They can comment, they can copy this design for their own use as well. So yeah, this is a very powerful aspect of Figma, and if someone can really make use of it, they have almost everything in their hands. So yeah, feel free to use it and also share some of the most amazing work with the community for their inspiration, and also seek help from the community by using their resources. You can always use any of the open source design library that is available out there for your own designs as well. So do check out Espresso, and that's it for this video. Bye.